There is an urgent need for mental health first aid for young people. Poor mental health is a real problem for many children, but just how serious is it? Children can and do suffer from a variety of mental disorders. These can be emotional, such as anxiety, depression and bipolar, and of these, anxiety is the most common. They can also have behavioural issues, and about 1 in 20 children suffers from this. Hyperactivity is not uncommon, with about 1 in 60, mostly boys, having this problem. There are of course many other problems such as autism, eating disorders, tics and more. It is serious. About 1 in 8 5 to 19-year-olds has at least one mental disorder, and about 1 in 20 has 2 mental disorders. That's at least 1 in each of the average size class. Over the last 15 years, emotional disorders in particular have increased significantly, and the incidence of emotional and behavioural problems increases with age, with teenagers being especially at risk. In younger teenagers, about 1 in 7 has a mental disorder, and that's split equally between boys and girls. But in older children, where the incidence has increased, it's much more likely in girls, more than twice as likely in girls. High self-esteem, which is very important for the mental well-being of these children, is approximately 5 times greater than in children without a mental disorder than those with a mental disorder. Bullying, which is in many schools, is also linked clearly to mental health. And those who have a mental disorder are twice as likely to be bullied, or indeed to bully others, as those without a mental problem. Serious issues like substance abuse are also much more frequent in those with a mental disorder, and in particular, drug use in younger teenage girls is much, much higher. There are serious consequences of these mental disorders, and about 1 in 10 boys with a mental disorder is excluded from school. And shockingly, in older girls, approximately 1 in 2 has self-harmed or even considered suicide. So clearly there is an urgent need for mental health first aid for young people. The role of schools in promoting mental health is now being recognised, but there are few resources available. We can help. We are Youth Mental Health First, and we provide mental health first aid training for young people.